Good morning, Sir. Respected Dr. Mohan Gundumel, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Anwar Sadat, Dr. Arun Kumar, Dr. Leta, Sir, members of the faculty, students, and delegates attending this conference. In fact, Sir, I have only some general things to say because my domain is knowledge is limited, and the state is actually implementing several reforms in higher education. We used to say that Kerala is on the threshold of a major transformation in higher education, both in its structure and content. The higher education in the state is undergoing a thorough transformation. As mentioned earlier, we are implementing the nationally mandated 4-year undergraduate program, FAUGP, from 24-25 academic year. It is implemented in 8 universities in the state. We have 16 universities. Out of the 16 universities, it is implemented in 8 universities. And nearly 850 colleges in the state today are implementing the 4-year undergraduate program. So at the national level, we have a policy perspective. Sometimes we try to engage with that policies, but we have to accept some of the nationally and internationally mandated norms and rules in designing our courses and shaping our institution. And AI has also got a national and international context. At the national level, say, Government of India has published a document, and their slogan is AI for all. That's the document perfected by the Niti Aayog, which places importance on a national program on AI. Say, India being the fastest growing economy with the largest population in the world, we say we have a significant stake in AI revolution. Recognizing AI's potential to transform economies and the need for India to strategize its approach, so we decided to establish the national program on AI with a view to guiding the research and development in new and emerging technologies. This policy has 3 components. Say, we call it as the 3-pronged approach. First one is to undertake exploratory proof of concept AI projects in various areas. Second is crafting a national strategy for building a vibrant AI ecosystem. And thirdly, collaborating with various experts and stakeholders. These are the 3 areas in which we place emphasis in the national policy. And it is believed that this policy has the potential to position itself among leaders on the global AI map, and we call it a unique brand of AI for all. And this approach, it focuses on how India can leverage the transformative technologies to ensure social and inclusive growth in line with the development philosophy of the government. In addition, India should strive to replicate these solutions to other similarly developed and developing countries in the world. And based on this national strategy, Kerala is placing its emphasis on identifying certain areas. Kerala's thrust is on application with maximum social impact, introduction of AI with application with the maximum social impact, and the willingness to learn from the best of the world when it comes to the recent technology advancement in AI, and leveraging approaches that democratize access and further development of AI. Kerala is actually placing emphasis on social impact of AI based on the national perspective. And from an application perspective, the approach is to identify sectors that may have the potential of greatest externalities. Externalities are benefits while adopting AI solutions, and hence require the government to play a leading role in developing the implementation of AI roadmap. Kerala's approach to implementation of AI has to be guided by optimization of social goods rather than the maximization of top-line growth. So our emphasis is to take advantage of the development in AI at the same time to maximize the social impact. From a technology perspective, the strategy is to maximize the late movers' advantage. When you enter the technology revolution late, it has certain advantage also. Acknowledging this, say we have some distance away from the consistently delivering homegrown pioneering technology solutions in AI, adopting and innovating the technology for the state's unique needs and opportunities that would help us in transforming or building the foundations of our R&D capability aimed at ensuring competitiveness in the long run. And coming to education in particular, say today all over the world, the development of a country, of a nation, is reckoned not in terms of the goods and service that you produce, nor in terms of the average income. It is in terms of the quality of human resources. Nowadays we speak of Human Development Index. So an effective education sector has the ability to transform a country through development of human resources and increase the productivity. In this context of emerging countries, levels of education and literacy of the population play an important role in the development and overall transformation into an advanced economy. And there are several areas in which we are adopting AI at the national level. For example, the adoption of technology in education is improving, though not at the pace that is required. It is estimated that schools globally spend nearly 160 billion US dollars on education technology or EdTech. That is in 2016 and 20. And it is growing by 17% annually. That is one estimation with regard to the use of EdTech in school levels. Similarly, the adoption of new technology is also often attributed to the level of preparedness of our teachers. It is argued that there is an unwillingness on the part of teachers and students to adopt new technology. For this, what is required is training for teachers and inclusion of these areas in the curriculum. School education in India has a substantial progress in recent decades, with the efforts both at the state and the central level. Substantive gains in enrollment has resulted in the sector, and gross enrollment, we know in school education is 97% at the elementary level, it is 80% in secondary education. But this is also related to the level of attainment of our students in their studies. You have the National Achievement Survey, NAS, which has conducted several studies which has shown the limitations of our school system. And there are several factors attributed to the lack of performance in the school sector. You have the multi-grade and multi-level classrooms where teachers find it difficult to interact. There is lack of interactive pedagogy and ineffective remedial instruction. There is inadequate attention for the dropouts, and in some other states you have large teacher vacancies due to uneven distribution across locations. But all this may not be true in the case of state of Kerala. Generally, these things are prevailing at the national level. There is also the problem of, say, introduction of professional development courses, and the training do not cater to the real needs, and it has poor coverage also. So there is also the problem of low adoption of existing technologies in school level. And there are, say, reports by EduTech and also Forbes with regard to the introduction of this, say, new technology at the school level. And the national strategy for artificial intelligence, it actually calls for the use of, say, AI tools from different parts of the world and adopting that technology to the Indian context. That is the crux of the national strategy. They call it as adaptive learning tools for customized learning. Technology, it is developed elsewhere. We try to adopt that technology to the state. Similarly, there is intelligent and interactive tutoring systems that is being adopted at the national level. There is also predictive tools to inform preemptive action for students predicted to drop out of schools. You can predict the number of students that may likely to drop out of the system by using this AI technique. Then there is automated rationalization of teachers. You can make the AI tools to develop automated teacher posting and transfer system. In Andhra Pradesh, it is widely used. Similarly, you have customized professional development courses. All these are being experimented in the national level, and some of them are being adopted in the state also. And coming to the Kerala situation specific, Kerala launched a large-scale teacher training program through the KITE, especially at the school level. And this initiative has already trained nearly, say, 50,000 teachers of all levels, ensuring that they can effectively integrate AI into the classroom. And the state has also introduced AI modules in Class 7 ICT curriculum. In Kerala, we have adopted modules in the Class 7 ICT curriculum. Similarly, schools are incorporating AI-driven learning tools. And also in 2023, Kerala established the first AI school at Shantigiri Vidya Bhavan. This has several features which enhances teaching methods, personalized learning platforms, and plans to integrate robotics into the curriculum. This model will be scaled across the state. And coming to the higher education sector, actually, higher education is in the state of Kerala is a latecomer as far as AI technology and its developments are concerned. But there are several important initiatives. We have started specialized programs. Kerala's higher education institutions such as Model Engineering College Kochi, Vidya Academy of Science and Technology Thrissur, and Sri Trinal College of Engineering Trivandrum now offers specialized program in AI, machine learning, robotics to build technological expertise among students. Similarly, you have the first digital university in the country in Kerala. The Digital University of Kerala provides courses in AI, data science and related field focusing on research in healthcare and agriculture applications. Similarly, Cochin University of Science and Technology offers MTech in computer science with AI and data science. They have another program, MSc in computer science with AI specialization. And also ASAP Kerala offers a comprehensive AI machine learning developer course to address industry needs. Coming to the research and development centers in Kerala is also concentrating on the use of AI technology. You have the Digital Science Park located near the Digital University of Kerala. It is acting as a hub for AI research and innovation, fostering collaboration between academia and industry. And similarly, you have Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham has established a research lab focusing on AI applications in robotics, digital health, and cutting-edge technologies. Then there is emphasis on knowledge exchange and AI ecosystem support. Kerala Startup Mission is the best example. And you have the KDISC also operating in knowledge exchange and creating AI ecosystem support. Similarly, inclusion and accessibility is an important aspect of Kerala's initiative. Special initiatives focus on AI tools for children with disabilities, promoting equitable access to technology, and fostering an inclusive educational environment. And similarly, some of our universities have collaboration with foreign universities. For example, you have University of Edinburgh. In 2024, Kerala partnered with University of Edinburgh and a Center for Artificial Intelligence at the Digital Science Park. This collaboration promotes AI research in robotics and generative AI facilities and academic exchange. Similarly, you have University of Oxford, which is a major center for data science today. Kerala collaborates with the University of Oxford into advanced research in AI. Actually, these two initiatives are coordinated by the Digital University of Kerala. Additionally, we are making use of AI in tourism, In startup, you have institutional collaborations. You have IITK, you have NIT Calicut, IIT Palakkad, Amrita School. They are also collaborating in this field. You have government and industry applications. You have motor vehicle department making use of AI-powered system for enhanced surveillance. So finally, Kerala is taking a lead in this regard. In July, Kerala declared its vision to become a global hub for generative AI. At an international conclave, the state's industries minister declared the roadmap for an AI ecosystem rich with incentives, support, and partnership, all aligned with the environmental, social, and governance goals of the state. So the state plans to establish an AI cluster, set up an industrial park, aiming for public-private partnership model that can harness both local and global expertise. Though we are late in the field of new technology, the state and higher education institutions are making all-out effort to catch up with this technological revolution. With these words, I conclude. I have only just to give you a bird's eye view of the developments taking place in the state with regard to policies and institutions. Thank you.